Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well and I'm excited to work with you today. Today we're going to talk about expanding our 3-digit numbers when we are adding. So we're going to go to the hundreds, and we have been working really hard on our base 10 blocks, and we've been using them in forms like this. So you know that this is the 100, this is our tens, our 100 block, our tens block, and these are our ones. But today I'm going to work with you on writing it out in base 10 shorthand, okay? So that way we can draw it out in a quick way where we can work on a worksheet and have it in place value, and we can draw it out in shorthand, and still we know what these mean. We know how much they add up to. And now we can use our pictures to help us add these numbers quickly. Okay, so let's talk about it a little bit. I'm going to use different colors to help us see on the worksheet. You should all have your own worksheet. I have it sent home with you. The worksheet looks like this. So it's nice that all of our place values are in their columns. We have the hundreds in the hundreds column, the tens in the tens column, and the ones in the ones column. So you know that the ones are worth 1, just 1. And I will use green to show 1. So when we use base 10 shorthand, the 1 just looks like a little dot, like that, just a dot. That's how I do it. Just a dot. And then our tens, they look like French fry. Tens, when you use it as base 10 shorthand, we draw it as a line. Just a line. So for every 10 you have, you draw a line. For every 1 you have, you put that dot. For our hundreds, can you guess what we're going to draw? I'm going to use red for my hundreds. I'm going to make just a square. For every 100, I will draw a square. So let's work this one out together. If I have the number 469, pull out your paper and do it with me. 469, this is how it'll look. So first of all, how many hundreds? 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds. So let's draw it. 4 hundreds will be 4 squares. 4 squares. Okay? Now, 460, 6 tens. Let's do it. 6 tens is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I usually like to group by 5s. I like to do that. Okay, and how many ones? 9 ones. 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There we go. 469. Now I'm ready to add the other number, 324. Well, easy peasy. How many hundreds? How many hundreds? 300. So in base 10 shorthand, I'm going to draw my 100 blocks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All done. Move on to your tens. There are 2 tens, so it's 20. 1, 2. 20. And how many ones? 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Okay, next step. What do? We see if there's any groups of 10. Because, as you all know, as we've been working with our blocks, anytime we have a group of 10, we move up a place value, right? 10 ones moves up to a 10. 10 tens moves up to a 100, right? And so on and so forth. So, do we have any groups of 10? Let's figure that out. That's one of the reasons why I like to make groups of 5, because then it's like I'm filling in a 10 frame. Right here, I already see I have 5, 4. If I move this, oh, it's hard to see backwards. If I move this up here and I make a group of 10 right there, aha, now I don't have 10 ones. I have another, where do I want to put it? I can put it anywhere. I have another 10. So I get rid of those ones and I move the 10 over. I regroup it over into the 10's place value. So what does that look like over here? Well, how many ones are left? Because I had 10, 11, 12, 13. Aha, I have 3 ones left. 3 ones left. And I brought another 10 over here. Boop. Okay, now how many do I have altogether? Do I have a group of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, nope, I don't have to regroup that one. I have 9 in total. So just like over here, I can put a 9 in my 10s. Okay, I didn't have to regroup. You see what I did? I counted up my 10s. Ooh, move a little further. I got 9. I didn't have 10. I didn't have to move it over. Now let's do our hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I added up 4 and 3 to have 7. So our total, 793, using my base 10 shorthand. Now, I want you guys to try the next 2 on your own. Okay? Have a good day.